Hello, beautiful friend. It is Sunday here in the Full for Life kitchen, and we are meal prepping. One of the meals that is always on our recipe rotation is the Full for Life Morning Glory Baked Oatmeal. So I am prepping ahead for this because I really don't have a whole lot of time in the morning to be chopping anything. So I am chopping my carrots and my apples in advance for this recipe. When I do this, I actually chop enough for not just making it once or twice. I have 5 bags over here of pre-chopped carrots. I'm gonna do the same thing with apples so that I can make this 5 times, and I prepped for it once. Saves a ton of time. This is really easy to throw into the freezer. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put my carrots along with the apples in baggies. It's already measured out. I'm gonna suck out the air of the freezer bag. I'm gonna put it into the freezer for future meals of making this Morning Glory Baked Oatmeal. Then when I know I'm gonna make it, I'm gonna pull out however many baggies I need for however many batches I'm making, and I will put them in the refrigerator the night before. In the morning, they'll be thawed, and I will be able to prep my Morning Glory Baked Oatmeal in less than 5 minutes. Really quick, really easy. And then, I often make double batches of the Morning Glory Baked Oatmeal in itself once I'm actually making the recipe, because it's also super freezer friendly. So just a little tip for you to prep ahead. When you are prepping ahead on your meal prep day, don't just prep for 1 batches or 2. If you have the freezer space and you can, prep enough for a bunch of batches. And then for myself, I have enough carrots and I'll have enough apples chopped for the entire month, and I can just pull them out as needed as I go through, my recipe rotation, and in 2 weeks I come back to that Morning Glory Baked Oatmeal. Side note, I forgot to add one really easy way to prep your carrots and to prep your apples is either by using a food processor, and you can chop it up really small with that, or if you want more uniform cuts, the Vidalia onion chopper. We love this thing. We use this for almost all of our veggies, and then I often use it for recipes like the Morning Glory Baked Oatmeal. Just another really easy way that you can quickly chop fruits and vegetables. So when you're making your Morning Glory Baked Oatmeal or any other recipe that you need to chop, think about using something that'll simplify it, like a food processor or, a Vidalia onion chopper. So cheers to a healthy lifestyle and living full for life, beautiful friend. I hope that this tip helps you.